Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing charming Canyon Lake Home, walk to boat ramp. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Charming Canyon Lake Home, walk to boat ramp in Canyon Lake provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 2.6 miles from Canyon Lake, 19 miles from Comal River and 21 miles from Schlitterbahn Waterpark Resort. The vacation home features 3 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are featured in this accommodation. Comal Park is 22 miles from the vacation home. The nearest airport is San Antonio International Airport, 35 miles from charming Canyon Lake Home, walk to boat ramp. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.